Hey everybody, welcome to your midweek meditation. It's Wednesday, April 30th, and I am on a longer trail run today, and you guys are giving me a chance to catch my breath because I am out of running shape, but we're getting there. Anyway, today I just want to focus on trading being for everyone. And the reason I was thinking about this actually while I was running was that I had an interview yesterday with a trader who comes from a creative background, much like myself. She was a former graphic designer and I come from the film industry. And normally you would think that trading is for someone who's more analytically minded, who loves to work with numbers. And I've had a surprising number of friends in the creative industry get into trading and do quite well with it. And this individual who I interviewed yesterday honestly is one of the most successful traders I've ever spoken to. And I think the reason creative folks find success in trading is because so much of it is about narrative, finding the narrative in the charts and spotting patterns. And if you're used to identifying visual patterns, if you're used to identifying narratives, you can spot those in the charts and you can really excel and honestly sometimes do a lot better than folks that are very analytical, because they may be a bit too conservative and they might not trust a trend or a particular chart pattern. So all that to say, don't be afraid to get into it. Trading really is for everybody. Anybody can find a trading style that really suits their temperament and personality. It's really just about taking that first step and getting comfortable with it. So anyway, there's a lot of opportunity out there. A bit off topic, but AI is disrupting a lot of jobs and different industries. And I think this can be a wonderful resource for more people to either supplement their income or find a totally new career. Anyway, the sun is out. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna get back to it before my heart rate drops. I can talk, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. This isn't financial advice. Past results are not indicative of future performance. Do your own research.